Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to connect UrsaLink LoRaWAN sensor to UrsaLink Cloud. Let me show you one by one. Make sure that the gateway has connected to the internet at first. To use UrsaLink Cloud, you need to enable UrsaLink Cloud mode. Click to enable it. If you don't have an UrsaLink account, please sign up an account at first. Click Register now. Input your email and password. Choose a region near you, and then click Next. Now UrsaLink Cloud is ready for you. Let's move to the next part. It's easy to add gateway and sensor to UrsaLink Cloud. Let me show you step by step. Step 1. Add the gateway via serial number and name it. Step 2. Check the gateway status. Step 3. Add the sensor via serial number and name it, then associate it with the gateway. Step 4. Check the sensor status. When the sensor goes online, UrsaLink Cloud will send you an alarm notification. Okay, now we have successfully added the devices to UrsaLink Cloud. Let's move to the next part. In this part, I will show you how to set up a dashboard to easily view your data. At first, let's add a clock widget. Then we can add widgets of sensor data and battery volume for a quick view. Next, let's add a line chart. Step 1. Name the chart. Step 2. Select the sensor. Step 3. Select a variable. Then confirm. A simple line chart is done. Also, you can drag and drop widgets to rearrange them. Click Save button, and now we have a friendly and intuitive dashboard in front of you. Open My Devices tab. Click Expand button. This line chart will surely give you a quick view of the data from the last 24 hours. Click History Data to check more. And select a time period. Here you are. In this part, I will show you how to share your sensor to other UrsaLink Cloud users. Click Add Contact button. Add an UrsaLink Cloud user. Select a sensor and then choose their permission. The user now has access to your sensor. UrsaLink Cloud offers a powerful trigger system. You can set up several conditions to realize your task. You can also select a time period. After the rule has been triggered, all the actions will be implemented by UrsaLink Cloud. On Event Center, you can check the alarm reporting and trigger log. You can also use Filter tool to view specific report and log. If you wish to test devices on UrsaLink Cloud, you can contact your account manager for a demo account. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us. See you next time.